Best frost-tolerant spring flowers that thrive in cold weather? Want beautiful blooms even when frost is still in the air? In this video, we'll share the most cold-hardy spring flowers that can survive chilly nights and even light snow. From early bloomers like Snowdrops and Hellebores to hardy perennials like Daffodils and Pasque Flowers, we've got you covered. Hey garden lovers! If you're dreaming of a spring garden that can handle frost and chilly mornings, you're in the right place! Today, we're talking about the best frost-tolerant spring flowers that bloom beautifully. Even when temperatures dip below freezing, stick around to find out which plants will give you an early burst of color without the worry of frost damage. If looking for spring flowers that handle frost the best, these are the most frost-resistant options. Best frost-tolerant spring flowers. 1. Snowdrops, Galanthus. Can bloom through snow and hard frosts. 2. Crocus. Often emerges through late-season snow and tolerates hard freezes. 3. Hellebores, Lenten rose. Can bloom even in freezing temperatures and snow. For daffodils, narcissus, extremely hardy and can handle frost and late snowfalls. 5. Tulips, certain species. While hybrid tulips can be sensitive, species tulips, like Tulipa tarda and Tulipa kaufmanniana, are very frost-hardy. 6. Violas and pansies. These flowers can survive light to moderate frosts and often bounce back after freezing nights. 7. Primroses, primula, can withstand cold snaps and frosty mornings. White, Pasque flower, Rosatilla, thrives in cold climates and tolerates frost well. 9. Hyacinths, hardy bulbs that endure frost and cold nights. 10. Siberian squill, Scilla siberica, one of the toughest early spring bloomers. It can handle hard frosts, shrubs that handle frost well. Forsythia, can tolerate late spring frosts without damage. Heather, Erica, and Kaluna species. Some varieties bloom in late winter and handle frosty conditions. Best for extreme cold and late snowfall. If you live in a harsh winter area, zones 3 to 5, the best options are snowdrops, crocus, hellebores, daffodils, pasque flower, and Siberian squill. These flowers are built for frost and even snow cover. That's it for today's video. Now you know which hardy spring flowers can survive and thrive through late frosts. Have you grown any of these in your garden? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new gardening tip. See you in the next video. Happy planting!